In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Clear All Filters button in Power BI. By the end, you'll have a simple, reusable button that resets your report back to its intended default state with a single click. Start by opening your Power BI desktop application and loading the report where you want this feature. Make sure your report is in the exact state you want users to return to. Ideally, with no filters applied or with only the essential defaults in place. This clean view is what we're going to capture. Next, we'll create a bookmark that remembers this clean state. Go to the View tab and open the Bookmarks pane. Click Add to create a new bookmark, then rename it to something clear and easy to recognize like Reset Filters. Click the three dots next to the bookmark to open its options. Ensure that data is turned on so the bookmark captures filter and slicer states. Turn display off, which is recommended so you don't accidentally store visual formatting or spotlighting. Also turn current page off if you want the button to work consistently on other pages that share the same filter setup. These settings help the button reliably reset filters without altering the look of your report or forcing a page change. Now let's add the actual button. Go to Insert, choose Buttons, and select Blank. Place and resize the button where it's easy for users to find, such as the top right corner of your canvas. With the button selected, open the Format pane, turn Action to On, set the type to Bookmark, and for the bookmark selection, choose the Reset Filters bookmark you just created. This links the button to that saved clean state. Give the button a clear label so users instantly know what it does. In the Format pane, turn text to On and set the text to Clear All Filters. Keep it short, direct, and easy to read so there's no confusion. Let's test it. Apply any filter or slicer change on the report. In Power BI Desktop, hold the Control key on your keyboard and click the button. You should see all filters snap back to the clean state you captured with the bookmark. When you publish the report, users can typically click the button directly without holding Control. If you ever update the default view of your report, just return to the Bookmarks pane, set the report to your new desired default, and update the Reset Filters bookmark so it reflects that change. That's it. Your Clear All Filters button is ready. Thanks for watching.